Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So we're gonna hop right into today's video. I know it's been a minute and I have a lot of explaining to do, and I will, but we're hopping right in. I'm gonna be using my extra short round soft gel full nail covers. These are definitely one of my best sellers in my Etsy shop, and you guys really love this nail tip. I do too. I was never like a round girl. I was always like square, coffin. But these are fun. I love them. And you guys love them too. I'll have the link to these down below in my description box. But as you can see, all I'm doing is going in and sizing them out. I'm letting y'all know right now, I just started Invisalign. So if I have a lisp, that's why. Maybe I'll start taking them out when I do my recordings if it bothers y'all, because I know it might bother me. So let me know. Just be real. Does it bother you? Can you even hear it? Am I delusional? Anyway, I'm using my all-time favorite Polygel for this video. This is the Model 1's Polygel in the shade light apricot. And I'm using alcohol as my slip solution. The camera is shaky. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna fix it. I just started really noticing that the camera was actually shaky. And I also started noticing that my videos are like upside down. I have so much to explain, but listen. All I'm doing is going in and I'm doing the same method that I typically always do. Just going in with that Polygel, squeezing out a tad bit on the cuticle area and then flattening it out. You want to make sure that the cuticle area is flatter than the rest of the nail. And yeah, this is super easy. I've done it a million times. You get the hang of it. If this is your first time using Polygel, you definitely get the hang of it. You just really want to make sure that your cuticle area is flat. If it's not flat when you apply it to your nails, it's not really a huge deal, but the Polygel can ooze out, and you just want to make sure that you clean it up before curing, because once you cure, it's a done deal. Nails choppy, yikes. You don't want to do that. So just make sure you're being conscious and cleaning around the cuticle area before fully curing. It's been 3 weeks, y'all, since I posted a video. I started posting videos in 2020, I believe. So it's been almost 2 years, October 2020. It's been, yeah, it'll be 2 years next month. And I've never taken a break longer than a week. And it's been 3 weeks. And every day, like, I would tell myself, all right, I need to upload. Like, it's becoming too long. I need to upload. And it was just every day, like, I found an excuse. And it was not really like it's an excuse. It's just like I have so much going on in my life right now. And it's really not an excuse, because at the end of the day, like, I love what I do. I love coming on this platform. I love doing my nails. I love sharing my designs. I love reading your comments. I love looking at the pictures on my Etsy shop that you guys post when you buy my nail products. I love reading all the reviews. Like, this is my dream. And this is something that I would love to do, like, full time. And I don't need to be making $1 million. You know, as long as I'm making a living, I would absolutely do this like full time. And I would love to just post like 3 videos a week of doing nails or doing whatever, doing, you know, creating content, doing nails, who knows, maybe doing vlogs. You know, I want to definitely expand into new territory and, you know, not just do Polygel, but maybe do acrylic or whatever the case may be. I just love being, in general, a creative. And I, for like once in my life, just like lost it. for 3 weeks, y'all. It's just like, I had bought all this new equipment because it was Prime Day in July. So I bought a new microphone. I went and bought a hard drive. I was going to buy a new computer. And I didn't have anywhere to put it because I have no storage. And my place is so small. There was nowhere I could like set up. And it just like, I don't know, just put me in a spiral. I decided to get a new place. I'm moving and like I'm going on vacation for my birthday. I'm going to Italy and everything just happened at once. Like it was just too much. It was overstimulating. And it's all good stuff. And I know it sounds crazy to like, I don't want it to sound like I'm complaining, but it was just like, it was too much at one time. And I just had an anxiety attack and a breakdown. And I'm 23 years old, or I'll be 23 years old, and I'm really just starting to notice I really have anxiety. And I just kind of just had a manic attack. Like I just had a breakdown and I just lost all motivation. But, oh, I'm going in with the 80/80 grit file. Best investment you could ever purchase for your nails. Definitely recommend using 80/80 grits. It makes, filing time so much shorter and faster and easier. I'll have a link to those down below. Yeah, not to get too much into detail, this one is a short video today. I just kind of spiraled and I just had no motivation to do anything. And I'm sorry. From like the bottom of my heart, I really am sorry because I owe it to you guys. I didn't start this community and you guys expect me to post videos like at least once a week. Twice a week should be my minimum. And I haven't been, the creator that I promised to be from the beginning when I started. I promised to stay consistent. And I know, I'm human. People have, and I know it's like, humans are normal. People get PTO, like, at a regular job. But it's different. I definitely miss you guys. And I really thought about it every single day. I was like, today's going to be the day. Like, I need to post this video today. No excuses. And then it was just like, I don't know, y'all. I don't know, but I'm sorry. And I am back. I'm going to post another video and I'm going to try and upload some content and have it ready to go for my trip to Italy because I'll be gone for like another week and a half at the end of this month. But y'all, I'm going to get it together. Please don't give up on me. Thank y'all all whoever is like watching this video and like still supporting me and my channel and everything and my YouTube and my Etsy's. Everything. Like, y'all are I bless your heart. But anyway, I know I rambled a lot. I love this gel polish. It's like a gel top coat from MAKARRT. The link is down below. You can purchase it on Amazon. Love it. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend it. Use it on like almost all my nails now. But I'm going in with a top coat. This is a sample top coat I got because I thought about selling top coat in my Etsy shop. Ain't gonna happen. Don't think it's gonna happen. But yeah, now I'm going in with my cuticle oils. I used Cherry Blossom today, one of my faves. And I'm just going to put that on my cuticles. These are hydrating, ultra hydrating, all natural cuticle oils. Definitely recommend giving them a try. And they come in 5 different scents. But yeah, here are the final results. If you guys love the nails and, enjoyed my little story time ramble today. I know I haven't done a story time in so long, like a story time and nail videos like I used to do. Let me know if you guys want those to come back. But yeah, here's the final look. I love you guys so much. I'm so sorry that I've been away. It's been way too long. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next video.